How to send money on Monzo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send money on Monzo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to send money on Monzo, all you have to do is just go to your Monzo application here. So open the Monzo application and then just make sure to log in. Before you log in, if you haven't yet created a Monzo account, you can tap on the I'm new to Monzo option here to join Monzo. Or if you already have an account, you can tap on I already have an account button, enter the email address associated with your Monzo account, then tap the next option here to basically enter the email, enter the password, log into your account, and then you'll be able to find the option to send money from the Monzo app. This way you can basically send money on Monzo. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.